Data is everywhere, from the apps we use to the businesses we interact with every day. But raw data alone means nothing unless we can turn it into insights. And that's exactly what data science is all about. Data science is the process of extracting valuable knowledge from data and using it to make smarter business decisions. It combines three major areas: computer science, mathematics, and business expertise. When these three work together, organizations can solve problems, predict outcomes, and improve performance. There are four major types of analytics in data science. First is descriptive analytics. This helps us understand what happened. For example, did sales increase or decrease? Second is diagnostic analytics. This explains why something happened. Why did sales go down? What caused the change? Third is predictive analytics. This uses historical data to forecast future outcomes, like predicting next quarter sales. And finally, prescriptive analytics. This recommends the best action to achieve a goal, such as increasing revenue by 10%. Now, let's talk about how data science actually works. It starts with understanding the business problem. Then comes data collection, where relevant data is gathered from multiple sources. After that, the data is cleaned, because real-world data is often incomplete or messy. Once the data is ready, analysts and data scientists explore it using analytical tools and machine learning techniques to uncover patterns and insights. Finally, the results are visualized in dashboards and reports so businesses can make informed decisions. Data science is not just about technology. It is about turning information into action. And as businesses continue to grow digitally, data science is becoming one of the most valuable skills in the world.